So this is the second time I'm out with the P1000. Today it's 6:30, something like this in 10 minutes. I will show you with the photographs I make that the sun moves clockwise. I hope we can see this in the photos. Much love to you, Santos Bonacci. You sent me some exclusive stuff from Level With Me, Level 3 from Sean Hibbler. The download will take 1 day or 21 hours. I will make the films, Santos, don't worry. Much love that you sent it to me. You also sent it to me last year. Yeah, flat thumbs to you, bro. I learned your flat thumbs and flat fingers. Follow also the other channels. So let's go into maximum zoom. This is maximum zoom from the P1000. And I give you a proof that this is our sun. It's close. I will bring away the sun filter. And we will see us later. So let's bring in the trees. Everything is working fine.